Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyodokan. I'm Ryusei. Today I'm going to make clams and rice. In Japan, this dish is called Fukagawa Meshi, which is a regional food in eastern part of Tokyo. Fukagawa is a region name. When we make it, we definitely use clams. The rice cooked with rich and tasty clam soup is so good. I hope you enjoy this video. Yes, let's go! These 300 grams short neck clams. I'm going to prepare them for cooking. This is a cold water bowl. I add salt, about a tablespoon. Then stir it until the salt dissolves. The taste is a bit salty. Nice. I add the clams into it. The clams are covered with salt water and let it for over 1 hour in the fridge. They should spit out any of the sand that they have inside. Please hold on. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare the rice for cooking. Japanese people usually use this cup. The amount of it is 180 milliliters and around 150 grams of the rice. Today I'm going to cook the 2 cups of the rice. I introduced how to cook the rice in detail above video. If you are interested in, please watch it. I soaked the rice for 30 minutes. I drain a sieve. Good. 1 hour later, I wash them carefully and sieve it. Then I wash them again to remove the sand. Okay? I transfer them to the pot and add 500 grams water. You can add dashi made from bonito flakes and dried cap instead of it. Okay, I'm going to heat it. Heat it over high heat until it starts to boil. The water becomes warm, but the clams don't still open. A few minutes later, they begin to open. Keep the heat medium until all the clams open. Meanwhile, I skim off the foam carefully. Okay, turn off the heat. Drain a sieve. We got nice clear clam soup. This clam soup will add amazing flavor to the rice. Good, let it cool. Next, I recommend to remove the clam meat from the shells as soon as possible, because once they are cool, we struggle to remove them. I do it quickly. Please hold on. Sometimes some of the shell remains in the meat, so I check every clam meat like this. This prevents people from feeling uncomfortable. Nice. I cover them with plastic wrap, not too dry, and keep it in the fridge. Next, I'm going to cut the vegetables. First, Mitsuba. In Japan, we use it so often when we make Takikomi gohan. I cut off the root side and cut them at 2 cm intervals. Okay, this green color makes our dish much more beautiful and they add fresh green flavor to the rice. Next, ginger. I think ginger is an important ingredient in this dish. It's about 20 grams. I'm going to slice it into juliennes. First, I slice it thinly. When it's difficult to hold the ginger, turn it and slice horizontally. I've sliced them thinly and aligned them. And then I slice it very thinly too. Okay. I've done cutting. Today I use a rice cooker. add 400 grams rinsed rice and 400 grams clam soup, 10 grams sake, you can use mirin instead of it, and 20 grams soy sauce. Finally, add the ginger. I add them all to the rice. But if you think it's too much, you can reduce the amount of it. Okay? I cook it. Yes, done. Open. The clam and ginger smell is amazing. Then I add clams. We should add them at last to eat them juicy. And add Mitsuba too. And mix them. I warm clams and Mitsuba in the rice. Okay, today I transfer the rice to the ohitsu, which is made of wood. It absorbs the excess water and heat, and that's nice wooden flavor. Okay, that looks so good. I like this green color of Mitsuba. And then I cover it with a wet cloth for a while. It helps the rice make perfect. A few minutes later, I cover it with a wooden lid. Open the lid. Let's arrange on a bowl. This mark of the bowl is called togusa. These are straight leaves. It has wishes for progress and prosperity. I arrange the rice like a small mountain. Finally, place clams and Mitsuba on top. Okay. Clam rice is done. Thank you. Did you enjoy? Today I introduced clams and rice. This time I used just water to take clam soup, but we can use dashi instead of the water. If we use dashi, we can make richer and thicker taste of Fukagawa Meshi. If you are interested in, please try it. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.